How to remove WhatsApp data from iPhone. At first, open WhatsApp app. At the bottom right corner, tap on profile icon. Then tap on storage and data. Now tap on manage storage. Here you can see used storage and available storage. Now tap on larger than 5 MB. Here you can see all the large files. Select the files and tap on delete icon. Then tap on delete items. If you want, you can delete items from any particular chat. Tap on the chat, select the files and tap on delete icon. Then tap on delete items. Now go back to your WhatsApp settings and tap on chats. From here, you can clear all the chats from WhatsApp to free up the space. Keep in mind, this will also clear all the text messages. Then go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down a little and tap on WhatsApp. Now tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again, then reinstall the app. In this process, WhatsApp cache data will be cleared. And this is how you can remove WhatsApp data from iPhone. And that's it.